Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get a refund on Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Foodpanda application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and register to the application, but guys, if you have struggles with that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we can go and show you how you can do it. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have the, as you can see, address, and also we have the search bar. In the bottom tabs, we have the home tab, the shops tab, search tab, and the account tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get a refund on Foodpanda. So basically the first thing that you need to do is, out of all of these options, you need to go and click on the account tab. So which is in the bottom right corner. Now when you click there, we just need to go and scroll down. Here we have the general options where we have the help center, Foodpanda for business, and terms, policies, and logout option. What you need to click on is the help center. So click on the help center, and here guys, you need to go and find the refund tab. So we have a lot of problems here that you can go and get from them, but here, as you can see, we have payments and refunds. You just need to go and click on payment and refunds, and then they will automatically help you get your refund. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.